For best results, make sure you wash and towel dry your hair. Any residual product that's left in the hair could potentially damage the unit. Prior to the first use, make sure you oil the blades. For additional resources on how to oil blades, please refer to our other video. In the box, you'll find your hair cutting unit, 9 stylers ranging from a 1/2 inch to 4 inches, along with a tapered styler, oil, a cleaning brush, and a transformer. The AirCut has 2 modes. Depress the switch down to run the vacuum mode and up to run the blades. While the blades are running, make sure you oil them prior to the first use, and when necessary thereafter. Now it's time to choose your styler. It's my personal preference to start with a tapered styler and work my way up to the longer stylers. When cutting the hair, it's important to make sure you're working against the grain of the hair for the quickest and best results. It can take a little practice. Hair length and thickness will also affect the cutting time. When changing stylers, make sure you turn the AirCut off. When using the next styler, make sure you overlap the previous area and continue working against the grain of the hair. This will ensure for a nice tapered look. When cutting longer hair, you may need to maneuver the hair into the styler. For the final touches, it's optional to use a clipper on your hairline. Finally, remove the hair styler and depress the switch down to put the AirCut into vacuum mode to remove any residual hair clippings. Last but not least, remember to remove the hair clippings from the hair trap and any residual hair from the AirCut and filter.